adults can do that as well.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, but you just need to make sure you've got this on your wrist so that the conductors can see that, just to know your age and know that that's okay for you to be doing that. But always with an adult sitting behind or next to. You can be sitting behind or next to. Yeah.
Oh, my ticket. Okay.
Your ticket?
Yeah. There you go.
Where's your ticket now? That is letter L. Oh.
Tin, doon dapat yung ano.
Kaya nga, saan? Ganda mo, mukha ka may-ari ng train. Hi. And that is the train.
Ang pangit. Diyan yung awa sakay? Diyan tayo sakay?
Oo.
Ano, wag yan.
Ay, sakay.
Papa! Yan mo na.
One? Other one. Kakal ng mga... Kambing mabait.
Lumayo.
We'll try and double the rate of 11 football. This point is away at that time.
Naipas na yung isa, mamaya ulit yung isa.
Ayan na, oh. Sige to, kasama ka daw.
Hindi mo naman likor. Pag mawala.
Na-amaze na naman sa akin ang friend natin.
Running a little bit late with problems with locomotive.
Abang isang kaya kasha. Oh, Jillian. Oh, look, moving na. Video ko kayo. Kasama mo. Tignan mo, pinapayungan niya yung skwala.
Between Beltway Station and Lakeside Station. Passengers travelling between Lakeside
May baby ka?
and Gembrook Station cannot
Baby mo si Kuala?
sill at this time. Sitting on the carriage sill is not recommended for expectant mothers or passengers with pre-existing back, neck, or similar conditions.
Oh. Oh, ganda inay dito.
Suot ni Jill yung ano? Yung rubber ano? Labas niyo. Yung green. Labas niyo sa Jill kasi nagtatagal yung mga ano. Dahil sa kanya.
Good job, alam kikita siya. Ang ganda ni inay. Where? Ang ganda nga niya. Daig ako. Pinamitan ko siya eh. Oo. Tapos napaganda sa kanya yung ano, oyahin lang. Jill, hello Ate Ana. There's the train. It's moving. Move pa kayo doon, Jill. Move ka pa, Jill. Yan. Go. L is for the way you look. Jill, look. Ooh. Oh, yes, friend. Go.